every once in a while, we all need a little bit of rejuvenation. And I've spent the better part of my life photographing the spectacular wonders of nature. So sit back and enjoy this splendid imagery and rejuvenate your spirit and your soul. We all know that our lives can get really cluttered with stressful happenings and challenges and just the basics of living every day. But sometimes it's important to just sit back and remember what a blessing it is just to be alive. I've always loved nature because, quite simply, it is perfect. Flowers, trees, mountains, waterfalls, the clouds, the wind, the wildlife. Every aspect of creation is found in the amazing natural environment. And there's nothing more on this planet that rejuvenates the spirit than to just simply engulf yourself with that reality. So while we're contemplating that fact, let's also ponder something else that's just as wonderful. And that is us. That's right. Each and every one of us is a miracle. Each and every one of us adds something, contributes something to our corner of the world. And you know something? This planet would not be the same without you. You are critically important. You can't even imagine how you have impacted this planet, and it is in a very, very good way. Every time you've opened a door for someone, every time you've just cracked a smile, you have made someone's life better. So don't forget to step away from the hustle and bustle and maybe just take a walk outside and look up at the clouds or the moon or the stars and celebrate. Life is good and you matter and everything is going to be okay. And by the way, while you're feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments what your favorite thing in nature is. And meanwhile, hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I hope you've enjoyed my photography. If you'd like to purchase any imagery for your walls, please check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.